count has increased to 8. Awesome. But I can still see some of you have not. Do I agree? Let's take a minute.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, Natik. How are you?
Fine.
Fine. Awesome. Fine is a बच्चों पे फाइन वर्ड अच्छा नहीं लगता बोलो ऑसम ग्रेट सर कहाँ है एनर्जी आपकी ओके ओके ग्रेट ग्रेट आई कैन सी दृष्टि ऐश्वर्या देवांश गणेश रवि संजीव नेहा ऑसम अनन्या आर्यन अदिति ऑसम ऑसम एंड oh nice we now have 12 participants great we'll start at 12 so we start at 3:30 but let's see who else is joining. I could see really good names Ganesh, Surya, Pik, Ansari. Okay, now, oh, nice, 13. Awesome, awesome. More and more are joining. Guys, you have a minute. Come on, log in, scan. Okay, we have 13 participants. Uh, I can see some names which have not logged in. Guys, come on. Scan the code and get registered. Porus, Ridhima. I can see interesting names coming. Oh, 14. Oh, nice. Okay. Nice. 15. Awesome. Okay. Great. Great. So, guys, welcome to this particular session. I have 17 participants. Let's wait for another 5 minutes. I think more and more of your friends are joining. We'll start within next 5 minutes. But meanwhile, let me introduce myself. Okay. Can you hear me? Can everyone hear me? If you can hear me, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, awesome. You can be on mute, not a problem. Just gives me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay. Yeah, okay. Awesome. Great, great. I can see Ganesh. I can see others also. Nice. Great. If you can all hear me, then it's fine. So guys, let me introduce myself. Uh, Hello, my name is Tarun Agrawal, and I will be your instructor and your co-host for this particular session on AI Workshop. अनलाइक अदर वर्कशॉप्स, हम यहाँ फोकस करेंगे कि हम क्या एआई है आज की डेट में, हम एआई का कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं। हम कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग टूल्स के बारे में सीखेंगे। हम देखेंगे क्या वो टूल्स हैं जिनको हम यूज करके सुपर प्रोडक्टिव बन सकते हैं, सुपर इंटेलिजेंट बन सकते हैं। एआई इज चेंजिंग अवर वर्ल्ड, वी आर चेंज्ड, एंड वी वांट टू बी सुपर प्रोडक्टिव इन टूडेज वर्ल्ड। ये पूरी वर्कशॉप ऑर्गेनाइज की जा रही है डीएसपीएसआर कॉलेज के थ्रू, एंड दे आर रियली want you students to accelerate. ओके, सो थ्रू दिस वर्कशॉप, हम ये पूरे 10 दिन की वर्कशॉप्स है जहाँ पे हम अलग अलग टूल सीखेंगे, अलग अलग प्रोसेसेस सीखेंगे। आज के दिन में हम जैसे एक इंट्रोडक्टरी देखेंगे कि एआई कैसे चेंज कर रहा है हमारे वर्ल्ड को, ऐसे क्या क्या टूल्स हैं जिनको हम डे टू डे लाइफ में यूज कर सकते हैं, और कैसे एज अ स्टूडेंट, एज अ पर्सन ऑफ 21st सेंचुरी, एज अ जेंजी, आप उस टूल को यूज कर सकते हो अपनी प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ाने के लिए। सो आज हम कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग टूल्स के बारे में देखेंगे, और आने वाली वर्कशॉप्स में हम देखेंगे हम उसे और कैसे बेटर कर सकते हैं, हम उसमें और कैसे इंटरेस्टिंग चीजों को ला सकते हैं। विल डू दैट, बट बिफोर दैट आई वांट यू to all to scan this QR code and get registered. I can see 23 participants right now, and I can see there are more than 23 right now in this particular meeting. So guys, keep scanning this code, keep logging, because we are going to have some interesting discussions. We are going to have some interesting comments also. Okay, so keep working. We'll start within another 2 minutes. But before that, I want a full participation. If you have already scanned, just give me a thumbs up. Yeah,
अभी
Nish.
बहुत हो रही थी हवा के नीचे सारे सूख रहे हैं।
If you can hear me, if you have already scanned, just give me a thumbs up. Awesome. Awesome, Ganesh. What about others? I cannot see. Oh, okay. Neha, I can see. Ivansh, I can see. Awesome. What about others? Oh, okay. Shivam, I can see. Great, great. You can give it on chat also. Nice. Focus. Great, guys. Nice. 29, 30. Keep on coming. Nice, nice. 32, 32. Guys, scan, and we'll start within another minute. Awesome, awesome. Okay, Abhijit is here. Shivam is here. Great. Okay. So I will ask moderator to make sure that people are joining on time to time basis. I will start this meeting. Moderator, can you just scan this QR code and float it in the chat, just in case students wants to do it? I will do it from my end also. I will just share this QR code and I will get started. So I'm just sharing this QR code in the chat just in case students wants to join. Okay, guys, I have pasted the QR code in the chat, and feel free to continuously log in as you are joining in this meeting. I will start this particular session and we get started. Okay. For those who have not joined, please scan it. But those who have joined will get started. Okay. Guys, so before we start, even I just wanted to have a quick question with all of you. Okay. So in AI, right, today we know AI is changing our world. We know things are changing very rapidly. Okay. Can anyone give me an idea? How do you think AI is changing your world right now? Can anyone tell me? You can just comment it also. I'm looking into comments. How AI is changing your life? Okay. So based on this, how is AI changing your life? Can anyone has any answer? Come on, guys. Okay. Any? One who has written. Ritika has raised her hand. Hi, Ritika. Hello. I can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, AI can explain us different difficult topics whenever we need.
Okay.
Like it acts as a tutor.
It act as a tutor. Awesome. So AI can help you as a tutor. AI can help you as with this. With this, I have a particular question for all of you. And here is my first question to all of you. Okay. What task will you like AI to help you with today? If you are supposed to ask AI one question, one task, which you want help with, what will it be? Since you have already logged in, you might be able to see this particular question right now. Can any everyone see this question? Just give me a thumbs up. Anika ma'am, Sanjeev, sir, Dr. Mukta ma'am, can you confirm if you can also see this question? Awesome, awesome. Just type your response here. What do you think? What is one task you will like AI to help you with today? It's an open-ended question. You can type anything. I want to understand. What do you think?
Okay. So let's see. If someone has a make my own Jarvis, awesome. So people have started responding. Let's see what are the top answers. To make presentations, to make posters, to make my own Jarvis, help in projects, helping understanding psychology, awesome. To make existing coding workflows better, nice. Help with my query or something similar, nice, nice. And these are all genuine answers, right? You really want AI to help you upskill, right? And in this workshop, we are going to explore some of the tools which you can use in your day-to-day life. Okay. Now, with this, there's another question which I want you to answer. Is everyone ready? Everyone excited? Can you type excited for this workshop? If you're excited, just give me, just chat excited on, just type excited on the chat. Nice, nice. I am seeing other answers. Okay. I will like to help you also. Excited. Awesome. Who else are excited? Okay. Okay, nice, nice. Ridhima is here. Sanjeev, sir, Anya, Mr. What about others? Awesome. Excited, excited. Great. Okay. With this, I have a second question for all of you. Okay. Okay. So now let's prompt this question. So all of you might have given this question. Okay. What do you think AI is only for technology students? Is it true? Do you think AI is it for a technology student? Can non-tech people also use it? My voice is little muffled. Let's see. Can I change my
Settings. Okay. Gitika says no. AI is useful for other daily works. Okay. Is my voice okay now? Yeah. Okay. Awesome. So, do you think AI is only for technology students? Some of say no. Some of say yes. But what do you think? No. No. Awesome. Can we see the responses also? Okay. Some of you are typing. Let's see what are the popular responses right now. No. AI can help for anyone, for a chef also. No, it can be used for finance. No. No. No, it is only for tech students. It is for students who need academic intelligence. And yes, you are correct. AI can help you in everyday day-to-day tasks. It is not just commerce students, it's not just science students. Anyone can learn AI. And this is what we are going to explore in today's workshop. I will show you the tools through which you can design professional websites. I will show you the tool through which you can research like a pro. I will show you the tools. I will demonstrate you by today how you can use AI as a tool to upskill yourself, learn new things, and learn better. Great. Okay. I think all of you are already aware of what I'm going to ask next, but so let's this question to be next question. Okay. My biggest question to you, have any one of you use any AI tool for right now for studying, image, writing, presentations, anything, right? If yes, tell me what kind of tool you have used and for which purpose. If you have used GPT, if you have Gemini, Claude, anything, Claude Opus 4.3, nice. People have used it. Awesome. What about others? Great. GPT, nice. Let's see what are the responses I get. Emergent for website, ChatGPT for research, Gemini for photo editing. Awesome. Claude Opus, Claude AI, ChatGPT. Awesome. Video generation. Awesome. Google Studio and Codex. Nice. ChatGPT. So all of you are to some extent familiar with the idea of AI and its use cases. You have seen in the videos AI can use for tools, AI tools like NA10 for automation, Gemini for designs and research, Canvas and everything. And we are going to go a little beyond that. Okay, in today's class, we are going to explore some of the tools, look into very use cases, and be more productive. Design like a pro. You have all used these tools, but how do professionals use them? That's the bigger question. You all can make images, you all can design activities, you all can design websites. But if a pro has to design it, what is the difference? How will he do it? So yeah, someone asked, is learning NA10 is still worthy? NA10 is basically an agent automation. It's a basically an automation tool. So yes, you can use it depending on the type of business you are. The prompts are better than us. Yeah, they are prompts better than us. Nice, nice, Kritika. So bigger question now is, how do pro use it? How do pro people use Gemini? How do pro people use GPT? How do pro people use Claude? And this is what this particular workshops will entail. We're going to study how we are going to use this tool. And obviously, some of the tools you might like, okay, it's not necessary, but depending on the case to case basis, every tool can be used. For small businesses, N10 might be good because they simple want automation to send two emails. But for big businesses, they want probably Power Apps, which is more advanced version of Copilot. And these are some things which we can explore over the period. And this is something which will. And DSPR today is bringing that opportunity right here in this particular 10-day workshop where you can explore these tools within interesting faculty, interesting people from the industries, and with multiple collaborations, we are going to do this particular workshop with all of you. Okay, so we are already 15 minutes down to the system, and I hope you are really interested in what we are going to explore next. Okay, so before even we start, I want to understand, have you ever given a command to AI tool? How do you give commands right now? Do you type on daily basis? If you do, how do you give commands, right? Do you type something or you give an address? How do you do that? Tell me. Do you type? If you do type, then you are already like a year behind. We have specialized tools which allows you, yeah, whisper, correct. Yes. So some of you already are aware, but yes, we are going to introduce the first tool by whispers. By prompts, correct. Prompts and upload the task, correct. But the typing, right? The question which I wanted to address was whether we are using correct prompts and whether we are writing those prompts. Okay. Okay. Nice. So by the end of this particular workshop, we are going to understand, choose, prompting. We are going to create some interesting videos also. Okay, so this is what we are going to entail in throughout this workshop and this particular first day of this workshop also. Okay, so now bigger question was, I can see people are writing prompts, this, but these are some of the tools which we are going to explore today. For example, Google Notebook LM. Some of you might be using it. Stitch, Gemini, Canvas, Google Flow, Cloud Designs. You all might be using this. But what we are going to learn today is how a pro uses these tools, how a pro will do a research through Notebook, how a pro will use Stitch for designing, and how a pro will use this Gemini canvas to design dashboards. This is something which an expert does. You might have seen it on some videos, but we are going to explore it today. Okay, super excited, super fun. If you are ready, just give me a thumbs up. Awesome, awesome. Okay, so all of you are aware of Google Notebook LLM, right? But okay, so this is the first tool which we are going to explore in today's session, the Google Notebook LLM. Now, Notebook LLM, as you know, let me just go here. Can you see my screen right now, all of you? Yeah, okay, you can see my screen. Okay, so I will just type Notebook LM and log into Google Notebook LM. Okay, so let me try this. Okay. How many of you know about Google Notebook LM? Just give me a thumbs up. Okay, 1%, 2%. Okay, nice. And how did you use Google Notebook LM? For what purpose did you use Google Notebook LM? Can anyone tell me? You can unmute your mic and just speak out. How did you use Google Notebook LM? If I am not a pro, how will I use it? If I'm a pro, how will I use it? So most of you are just students right now. So I just wanted to understand, how do you use for understanding something as podcast? Awesome. That is great opportunity. I don't use it. I just discovered it a year ago. Okay. Someone for creating notes and do research. Okay. Someone has wrote Google is used by upload documents already. AI reads them, ask questions about you. Okay. Nice. Nice. What else? What else? What do you think? Notion is better to create summaries for creating notes and do research. Okay. To create notes. Nice. So all of these are use cases as per your understanding. But if I, as a pro, have to use this particular tool, uh, as a CA expert or as a person who wants to understand business, because I do business analytics a lot, how do I use it? This tool itself is very powerful because it allows you to research what you have not done. As you can see, my hands are up. What I'll do is I will just use Google Notebook and Whisper Flow together to write, to dictate a narration so that it can understand and research for me. Okay. I want you to act as a business analyst, research on the stock prices of Reliance, its global growth for the past 5 years, and help me understand what is the market cap and should I invest in Reliance related industries or not. Can you do that research for me? So guys, if you look at it, I didn't write anything. I just narrated my thought process, what exactly I wanted to do. And I gave it this. I want you to act as a business research for stock prices of Reliance. So, as a business analyst, as a person who from an industry wants to understand, what I want to do is I want it to do a web search of all the compiled data on Reliance Industries. There is two options. I can go and research every document, okay, so that they can understand. And for someone who wants to use technologies like Whisper Flow or something, you can always go and understand Whisper Flow. So Whisper Flow is basically an AI narration tool, which I have used just right now. I didn't put anything on, I didn't type anything. I just put my hands up and I just narrated my thoughts and it automatically picked up. So Whisper, if you could type, if you can see my screen, it's a pretty good tool. So you can type Whisper Flow. And this is the first tool which comes. So Whisper Flow, if you look at it, it's a downloadable version. So if you are on Mac or you are on Windows or Linux, you can download your respective version. It will automatically come. Once you install it, it will ask you to set up. Once you set up, it will help you. And then, okay. And once you press Control plus Window, it will help you narrate everything. So I can do it. What I like did right now, I just went on this. I clicked on narration, Control plus Window, and it helped. Whether I'm on Google Docs, whether I am on any Google document, whether I'm building some slides, I can press and play and can narrate my thoughts. Whisper helps those narrations into actual sentences, and that helps me a lot because that is my natural learning and speaking flow. When I'm typing, I'm just very sophisticated writing in a formal language. But when I'm speaking, I can speak in a manner which is more convenient to me. And this is the power of it. Right here as well, I didn't put anything. I put my hands up. I just spoke and it understand. So let's do and come back to Google Notebook LM and just press enter for this one. Okay. So what it is doing right now is if you like a look on the left side of the screen, this particular tool, as a pro, I'm researching about the current market prices of the Reliance Industries. If you look at it, it has reduced into 7 different sources right now. And look at it. What are these sources? These are all reports generated by high industries. These are trade industry reports. And these are from creditable sources. So that's the power of Google Notebook 11. If you want it to act as a research analyst or a business analyst, it will look for credible sources also. If you do not specify, it will not look for those. But since I specified it, it has looked into only credible sources. Just for example, business sources. It has looked into Reliance Industries global market share itself. It has looked into Angel Industries. It has looked into specific Reliance Industries commerce, Grow app. It has looked. So it will look into specific sources as well. Now, once this data is there in the system, I can use it for any purpose which I want. I can import this data like here, and it will come there. Okay. So it is importing this particular data and it can help me understand what I want to do. What I want to understand is what is the stock price of Reliance in next 10 years? How will it help? Can I invest? What are the sectors is Reliance looking to grow? Can I also see a growth in those sectors? Should I invest? So these are the factors. If you have understood till this point, give me a thumbs up. You can also try this side by side. Okay, awesome. So who have not used Google Notebook, just open it, try this. S- Just write it if you want to. Okay, I want to be an act as an analyst. Give me Reliance, probably Ambani's, Adani's, Bata, probably government PSUs also. What can help? Whatever you think is necessary. Ask it's a 10-year industry plan. What is important? So you can see it has compiled all this data into Reliance Industry Integrated Report Office. Okay. So perfect prompt. Okay. Someone has written, Abhijit has written, Abhijit Upadhyay, role, text, context. Correct, Abhijit. But we have reserved this for the next session where we'll talk about better designing for prompts. Today we are already introducing. Next time we'll introduce processes also. Yeah. Someone is saying something? Hello. Hello.
Sir, you may continue, please. Tarun sir, you are mute.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does anyone has any doubt? If you have any doubt, please raise your hand. Or you can type on the chat also. Awesome. Okay. So guys, you can see what I did is I have asked Google Notebook LM to compile the results of Reliance Industry over the past 5 years. It has taken annual reports, provided me data. Now I can ask him serious questions. Again, I'm just going to go here, ask Whisper. Hey, can you tell me in which industries Reliance has made the most profit? Can you tell me what is the overall profit over the years and what is the projected industries is Reliance is going to attempt to see a market growth? Okay. So if you can look at it, I've just narrated again. Hey, can you tell me in which industry Reliance has made the most profit? Can you tell me what is the overall profit over the years and what are the industries? So once I do this, I can have a better understanding of what exactly is happening. Okay. Uh, Anishka, if you are using your iPhone, what I have did is I have used a particular AI tool called Whisper AI. If you look at it, Whisper AI, if I download on my desktop, it allows me to use dictation. I can speak and it can help write automatically. So I do not need to type. So Whisper AI is a tool which I'm using to directly speak and it is directly capturing that information. Does this answer your question? Okay, awesome. So now if you look at the, yes, Anishka, it does transfer the dictation automatically. That's the power of AI. Okay. So if I look at it right now, the most profitable industries Reliance has given is probably chemicals, digital services, retail, oil and gas. So if I have to buy a stock somewhere, I will probably look into these industry over the period. These are the most profitable industries. And if you look at it, these are the targeted future growth sectors also. New energy, digital service and AI. Reliance is also investing heavily on Geo Fiber, Geo Brains, which is cloud network. So these will help me as a data analyst to understand how to process this information. Okay. Now, what I can do is Google Notebook also allows me to understand this as a video overview, audio, podcast. Some of you have already said podcast, right? So you can understand how Reliance is growing over the years. So you can create infographics. You can create your own mind maps. You can create your own slides also, which you want to do a presentation. For example, your college is asked, can you do a presentation on what is the growth of particular market? Or you want to do and learn a new technology. You want to show a architecture. You can create slides. So all of these options are available. So you can have it in your own language. You can have a podcast also. It can teach you in the postcard very simple way what exactly you are understanding. So you can go audio overview and you can select what you how you want to understand. Explain how Reliance drives business portfolio into sustainable long run. I can just click on it, go deep dive, critique, debate also, and it can generate this particular podcast in my regional language. So if I want, I can do it in Hindi also. I can do it in English also. And this is amazing right now. So I can just keep it English for now and generate. It will generate this podcast. You can see the generation is happening right here. Okay. Similarly, you can create a video. You can create a mind map. So it will create short videos, short form mind maps, which you can use as your presentations, which you can use for your self learning and so on. So Google Notebook helps you do this. But is it the only way professional use this particular tool? A student can also do. But how do a professional use it? What does it help? Do you want to learn how a professional want to use it? If I have to use Google Notebook, LM, is this the only process? Yep. Okay, awesome. So Google Notebook LM alone is not enough as a tool to help me build interesting things. What I have to do is I have to use another side tool. Google Notebook LM helps me do the research, but that research I want to visualize to my stakeholders. So as a professional, what I'll do is I will use another tool of Google, which is called Gemini, which is also a free tool right now. So Gemini, if I go and type Gemini, it has a particular feature called Canvas. So if you can look at it, I can hear and I can see the add options. Okay. So it asks me what kind of things I want. More tools, more intelligent, deep search, all of these are available. What I want to do is I want to upload a particular notebook. Remember, we have just created a notebook. So I can use this data, which I've collected, which I've researched as a pro and put it here. What I want to do is I want to create use of the Canvas tool, which is Gemini's Canvas tool, which helps me build professional things. It can help you create apps. It can help you create things. Okay. What I want to do is now I want to use this to create me a dashboard of visualization of how Reliance is growing and which sectors to uh, invest. Okay. So what I can do is I can go back. I can again use Whisper AI. You can see on my screen, it is option is coming Control plus V, or I can just click on this. Okay, I can type. Hey, app as a analyst, use this attachment which I've given you to understand Reliance Industries. Create me a great visualization and tell me how Reliance is growing, which sectors are growing, and which area should I invest over the years. I want a complete dashboard kind of visual, which I can show and present to others also. Okay, can you do that? So if you look at it, I have asked him as an analyst, I'm given you an attachment. What was this attachment? It was, is my voice clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So obviously. So guys, if we are okay till this part, give me a thumbs up. I think some of you might be lost. So let me just confirm also. Give me a thumbs up if you are able to catch up. What about others? Awesome, awesome, awesome. So guys, what I did is I have used another tool with Google Notebook LM, which is Gemini's Canvas. Through Notebook LM, I did my market research. I've prompted him to do good research. Now I will use that research to build something interesting. What I'll do is I want it to act as a visualization tool, help me visualize what exactly is happening, and build that particular dashboard kind of thing so that I can show it to my investors. Hey, Reliance is growing over the periods. Why don't you invest in these stocks? Or why do you invest in these industries? These are the spaces where Reliance is investing, and this could be a good opportunity for you as well. So, as an analyst for a company or as a professional for any industry, I can do that. And it's not limited to one kind of role. Any student, whether it is from BBA, BCom, science, can do it. Yeah. Can't we use the voice to text button on Gemini or notebook? Yes, we can use voice to text button on Gemini on a notebook. That is doable. But what I feel is Whisper has a more clarity and it has better speech recognition. I have used Gemini also, but I felt Whisper as a more reliable tool. That's why I use it. Anything against these tools, and just it's my personal choice. Plus Whisper, अच्छा हिंदी में भी अच्छा अगर मुझे इस टूल की मदद से क्या करना था अगर मैं जेमिनाई की मदद से रिसर्च करता हूँ तो कैनवस के टूल की मदद से मैं उस रिसर्च को एक शो कर सकता हूँ कि कैसे मैं इस प्रोडक्ट को अपने इन्वेस्टर को दिखा सकता हूँ कि ये रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री यहाँ इन्वेस्ट कर रही है इन दीज आर द एरियाज वेयर न्यू ग्रोइंग मार्केट्स आर इमर्जिंग एंड इन इंडिया वी कैन लुक इन टू दीज सेक्टर्स एज अ प्रोफेशनल एज अ दिस इफ आई हैव टू डू इट मैनुअली अगर मुझे मैनुअली करना है ये सब चीज मुझे हफ्तों या महीनों लग सकते हैं लेकिन एक साथ दो टूल या तीन टूल की मदद से मैं ये काम एक दिन से भी कम समय में कर सकूं ऑब्वियसली मुझे सारा काम को रिव्यू खुद करना पड़ेगा बट जो चीज में मुझे महीना भर लग रहा था आज मुझे एक दिन में कर सकता एंड दैट्स वेयर यू हैव टू नो हाउ टू यूज दिस प्रोडक्टिव टूल्स यू कैन आप अपनी क्लासरूम में अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए रिसर्च कर सकते हो कैनवस के थ्रू उसको जनरेट कर सकते हो गुड विजुअल्स में उसको स्टोरी बोर्ड्स में यूज कर सकते हो एंड सो ऑन इट्स सुपर क्रिएटिव सुपर अमेजिंग टू ओके सो लेट्स डू दैट एंड लेट्स एंटर दिस एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट दिस बिल्ड इज सो आई मैंने इसको एक डैशबोर्ड काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग बोला है देखते हैं क्या बनता है ओके सो अभी ये बस एनालाइज कर रहा है Google Notebook is completely free. Up till now, it is free as of this date. There is no paid money. अगर आप देख सकते हो, it has started coding. You can see the app is being built right now, and it will be ready soon. Okay, it might take a while because this will require some computational power. We can come back to it later on by the time it is ready. If you have understood this, just say understood, 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 understood on chat. Okay, it's here. So if you can look it, तो रिलायंस का इंडस्ट्रीज का ग्रॉस रेवेन्यू, हाईएस्ट माइलस्टोन, अपकमिंग लिस्टिंग्स, ये सब बता रहा है। रिलायंस का एबिटा मार्जिन, ये सब बता रहा है। डिजिटल सर्विसेज, ऑयल्स एंड गैस, ये O2C, ये ग्रॉस सेगमेंट एबिटा मार्केट्स है, यहाँ पे रिलायंस का फीचर चल रहा है। सो दीज आर ऑल द इमर्जिंग फील्ड्स विच आई कैन डू। अब मैं चाहूँ तो इस कोड को डाउनलोड कर सकता हूँ, प्रीव्यू कर सकता हूँ, विजुलाइज कर सकता हूँ। मैं इसको कंसोल में चेक भी कर सकता हूँ अगर यहाँ पे कुछ इश्यूज आ रहे हैं। आई कैन एडिट ऑल्सो, आई कैन गिव कमांड्स टू मेक चेंजेस हियर ऑल्सो. So now I have a perfectly working dashboard which I can share with all the people, all the stakeholders, और उनको आराम से मैं दिखा सकता हूँ. नाउ इफ आई डन इट मैनुअली तो मुझे प्रॉब्ली एक हफ्ता लग जाता, एक महीना लग जाता, क्योंकि मुझे मार्केट रिसर्च करना पड़ता. बट नाउ आई कैन डू इट एंड डिलीवर विद इन लाइक a day or so and less. It's just how proficient I am with my understanding of technology. उसकी मदद से मैं जल्द से जल्द काम दे सकता हूँ. And it has helped people to build solo businesses. And that's what we are also looking into. It has also another great feature called AI, where आप Gemini का एक फीचर ऐड कर सकते हो इसके अंदर. It can ask interactive questions. कुछ क्वेश्चंस होते हैं उनकी मदद से आपको डेटा पे आंसर भी कर सकता है. ऑल ऑफ देम, याद रखें, रियल टाइम डेटा. दिस इज रियल टाइम डेटा क्योंकि हमने रियल टाइम रिसर्च के यूज किए टूल्स. ओके, दिस इज वन ग्रेट प्रोफेशनल टूल वेयर यू हैव दिस. नाउ हु वांट्स टू अंडरस्टैंड टू बिल्ड अमेजिंग वेबसाइट्स? किसको जानना है अगर हम कोई अमेजिंग वेबसाइट बना सकते? हैव यू बिल्ड अमेजिंग वेबसाइट्स राइट नाउ? ओके, आई हैव गॉट अ डाउट. ओके, लेट्स सी. ओके, ऑसम. ओके, awesome. Great. Yeah. Does anyone has a doubt at this point? Awesome. Great. So guys, no doubt. Guys, आपने कभी एप्पल की वेबसाइट या अमेजिंग वेबसाइट देखी है? तो आपको सबसे अमेजिंग वेबसाइट I want to know, but sir, years ago I was using website to create website with their domain. Okay, Ganesh, your query is something very specially required. Probably the moderator might be able to answer it right now. But what I wanted to ask in this particular chat was, guys, what is the most amazing website you have seen? Tell me. Whether it is Flipkart, Apple, Google, Dribble, what is the most amazing website you have ever seen? और क्या आप ऐसी वेबसाइट बनाना चाहोगे? एप्पल, ओके, एप्पल नो डाउट, ऑसम. ओके, एनीवन? एप्पल, ओके, सभी ने एप्पल देखा, इसके ऊपर किसी ने एक बेस्ट वेबसाइट नहीं देखी, राइट? एप्पल, गिटहब, जी, GoNoise.com, ओके, नाइस. व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? व्हाट इज द मोस्ट ऑसम वेबसाइट? गिटहब बोट, ओके, 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 ओके. एप्पल बाय पेटीएम, पाई बाय पेटीएम, ओके, नाइस. सो अगर मैं आपसे कहूं कि आप आज एक डिजाइनर की तरह एप्पल का कैसे डिजाइन की वेबसाइट बन सकती है, आप 5 मिनट में बना सकते हैं. और उसी 5 मिनट के बाद आप उसे डिजाइन ही नहीं, आप उसे प्रोडक्शन में भी ले जा सकते हो, एक पूरी वेबसाइट बना सकते हो. तो कैसा रहेगा? क्या अमेजिंग होगा? अगर आपको एक वेबसाइट बनानी है तो आपको किस चीज की वेबसाइट बनानी है? टेल मी. डू यू वांट टू मेक अ क्विक कॉमर्स वेबसाइट? डू यू वांट टू क्रिएट a product website like shoes or bags? What kind of website do you want to build? Product, quick commerce, nice. So guys, today we are going to learn about a particular tool called Stitch. This is also a tool by Google. This is also free right now. So let me type stitch.google.com. It's a really interesting tool. What we are doing is we are just introducing these tools to you. These are really helpful tools. You can always learn and always do build better. So if you could go here Stitch पे, आप देख सकते हो कि मैंने Stitch पे पहले से कुछ बनाया हुआ है और यहाँ पे काफी सारी इंस्पिरेशंस भी है. So Australia dashboard, these are all inspiration. These are designs. These are not website. These are website designs right now. So you can build amazing website designs through here. Okay. स्टिच क्या करता है? जो आपके यूआई यूएक्स डिजाइनर्स होते हैं ना, इट कैन क्रिएट यूआई यूएक्स ग्रेड डिजाइंस फॉर यू. And once the design is ready, you can use those design to create interesting websites. अगर आप डायरेक्टली अभी किसी वेबसाइट पे जाके या किसी भी एआई टूल पे जाके बोलो कि मुझे एक वेबसाइट बना दो, एप्पल जैसी लिखती है वो, तो इट माइट बी एबल टू बिल्ड इट बट नॉट ऑलवेज करेक्टली। बट इफ यू गिव देम द डिजाइन्स कि ये मेरा डिजाइन होना चाहिए, ये मेरा पोर्टफोलियो का कलर होना चाहिए, ये मेरा ब्रांड का थीम होना चाहिए, ये मेरा डिजाइन स्ट्रक्चर होना चाहिए, देन एआई इज ऑल्सो एबल टू बिल्ड। as a pro as a pro, I am not going to use one tool to create a website. I will use two tools. I will use Stitch and use Google's Studio to create a website for me. There is another tool called anti-gravity by Google, which we are not disclosing right now because that's something you want to explore on your own. I want you to do it. But we are going to use two tools as a pro, Stitch and Google AI Studio, to build an amazing website. Okay. सो अभी हमारे पास एक मेजोरिटी विन है कि लोगों को एप्पल की वेबसाइट तो बहुत पसंद आई है। ओके, सो लेट्स फिगर इट आउट। आप सभी को एप्पल की वेबसाइट पसंद है, मुझे भी पसंद है, आपको भी पसंद है। बोट भी है कुछों का सवाल, किसी को बोट की पसंद है, बट मेजोरिटी को एप्पल की अच्छी लगती है। ओके, सो विल बिल्ड एप्पल वेबसाइट और लोगों को एक प्रोडक्ट वेबसाइट बनानी है। ओके, लेट्स से आई सेल शूज। ओके, सो व्हाट आई वांट टू डू इज आई वांट टू सेल शूज, आई वांट टू डिजाइन अ वेबसाइट जो शूज सेल करता है, जिसका डिजाइन एप्पल की वेबसाइट जैसा दिखता है। ओके, सो लेट्स डू दैट। Okay, so let me come here and I will just dictate again. Hi, build me a designer website for my product, which are shoes, but a design should look similar to how an Apple website look like. I want the same look, same feel, and I want you to act as a professional UX UI designer who can build and design this particular mock frames and wireframes for my website. My website deals with product shoe category and it sells across different marketplaces. It is a brand new launch in India, and it has a global operations ready. So build me a global Apple looking website right now. Okay. I accidentally clicked something else. I have to probably re-talk. Okay. Sorry, guys. Uh, Let me just redictate this. Hi, I want to create an Apple website looking website. My website sells shoes and we sell shoes across India and globally. My website should look like global website, how Apple's website looks. It should have the same design, same feel. I want you to act as an expert UI UX designer who can design my website, my wireframe, box frame, and all the main screens from home to navigation to everything from product listing, e-commerce, chart, and everything. We sell on multiple platforms and I want it to be a global brand website. Do it. Okay. Now, if you could see, I have I've written this particular comment and it has just built this properly. Okay. Uh, does anyone has any question right now? If you have any question, please type on the chat so I can read and answer before we get started. If you are okay, then type okay, 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 and we'll start. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. No questions right now? Awesome. Great. So let's get started. Okay. So it will take a while to design this particular wireframe and everything. Okay. Meanwhile, what I wanted to tell you was uh, we have built this workshop. The DSPSR college is bringing this workshop and we want to introduce you some amazing features of the college also. Throughout these workshops, you will find it professionals coming to the industry. One good thing with the college is it has multiple tie-ups across 30 industries, industry training packages. So you can come visit and see how industry works. You can talk with the counselors. You can understand how this works. And most of you might have appeared for CUT or entrance exams for colleges. That also, we also, DSPSR also offers different approaches, different courses, which you can look and broaden your horizon. We also have international college tie-ups also. So if you study with DSPR, you have an opportunity to go and study in UK and Australia also. So you can connect with our counselors and understand how this works. And DSPR sir, is only college in IP University, which provides you option for multiple entry and international collaborations. Okay. Uh, you can our counselor will provide you the contact detail in the chat also, just in case you want to connect with him. I request the mentor and the moderators within the group to kindly provide the contact details and the information so the students can later connect. Okay. Yes, Abhijit, I do work for the college, but I am the professional in industry. So I do take up regular classes with industries. Plus, I've been working in industry for more than 10 years as a business analyst, learning analyst, designing coach. And now we're working with AI coaching for colleges as well. Awesome. So you can look right now, it is building this particular design and see how good it is. This is something which I want. If I tell AI just to build a website for me, even it is emergent, even it is this, it will just probably build something randomly. But now, if you look at it, I have given him the apex design instructions, and इसी तरह वो बनाएगा. It has built amazing portfolio. अगर आप देखो कोई भी ये वेबसाइट बनाने से पहले, कोई भी डिजाइन बनाने से पहले हम यूआई यूएक्स डिजाइनर को इंडस्ट्री में पैसा देते हैं ताकि वो हमारा पोर्टफोलियो डिजाइन कर सके वेबसाइट का, वेबसाइट के कलर थीम्स, ताकि ब्रांड को हमेशा अप्रोच कर सके. अगर आप जेप्टो का देखेंगे, आप जेप्टो को जेप्टो के नाम से नहीं, जेप्टो के कलर से जानते हैं. सेम विद ब्लिंकिट, सेम विद कोको कोला. कोको कोला को कोई कोको कोला वर्ड से नहीं जानता, उसके उसके कलर से जानता है. That's what the AI tool is doing. It is creating those brands, creating those brand designs for you. And this is what we are paying millions for the people in the industries. And this is where you have an opportunity. You can, as a designer, as an instructor, as a professional, you can work with these brands. उन AI की मदद से उनके लिए design guidelines design करो. AI can help you design those guidelines, and it's a whole new industry to work with. Companies might not directly take these guidelines which AI is generating, but you can use AI to design better guidelines for them. And that is where the money comes, and that is where the profession is. So look into this. This is an opportunity for you. This is a space for you. This is what we are going to teach also in future. And this is a good global landscape which is. And मैं आपको बता रहा हूं कि आज की डेट में सबको कोडिंग करने वाले लोग नहीं चाहिए, उनको प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर्स चाहिए. कोडिंग एआई कर रहा है, ये डिजाइन एआई बना रहा है. क्या आप ब्रांड के लिए एक अच्छी गाइडलाइन बना सकते हो एआई की मदद से? उसका है आपको आपको मार्केट रिवॉर्ड करेगा. ओके. सो इफ यू वांट टू सी प्रॉपर विजुअल, I can just click on this and see the visuals also. It is still generating, but we can still just have a look at it. So अगर मेरा आगे ये मोबाइल डिजाइन है तो it will look like this. Awesome, right? If you could see explore collection. This is my collection. This is my website design, lifestyle, technical run. This is how my design looks like. And this mock frames, all of this email design, it's really professional. I can have all of this soul design catalog, everything is ready. So this is something. And what you can do is you can just go back, escape, and you can just share this particular export to anyone. You can probably build it for others also, build it for designs also. I just go back to this particular prototype. Okay, so this is my particular prototype. And what I can do is I can export this prototype. So I just need to select all of this together right now. And I can export. नाउ मेरे पास ऑप्शन है एक्सपोर्ट करने का. इसको मैं फिग्मा फाइल में कर सकता हूँ, एमसीपी, नेटिफाई, लवेबल, बोल्ड, जिप, और मैं इसको क्लिपबोर्ड पे कॉपी भी कर सकता हूँ. व्हाट आई कैन ऑल्सो डू इज मैं गूगल एआई स्टूडियो में, गूगल का अपना एक एआई स्टूडियो में जिसमें डायरेक्टली इसको भेज सकता हूँ. एंड थ्रू दैट आई कैन बिल्ड वेबसाइट डायरेक्टली. सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल जस्ट यूज गूगल एआई स्टूडियो, राइट? I will go click Google AI Studio. It will start building the website for me. Okay. So skip. If you could see, it is launching everything. Okay. So इसने पहले से एक comment डाला हुआ है, but I wanted to improve this comment. So I will just use Whisper Flow. I want you to design this website also with an idea that is a professional global website. Make sure the functionalities work perfectly. All the references are already provided to you. This website is for a product service, which is my shoe category. And the design and the feel should same look like what are given in the images. Can you do it? Okay, I can remove this "can you do it" line. I accidentally spoke it, but now I have this particular information ready. I will just do this and click build control. It will start building this website. Okay, so now if you look at it, Google has all these options also available. You can attach a database. You can convert it into an Android app. So Google App Studio it is professionally developed for developers. Google का जो App Studio है ये developers के लिए ही बना है. बट इसको आज की डेट में इस तरह डिजाइन कर दिया गया है कि अगर आप दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म्स के साथ लिंक करें, फॉर एग्जांपल स्टिच के साथ, तो आप अपना कैटलॉग बना सकते हो वेबसाइट्स का और उसको डायरेक्टली एक्सपोर्ट कर सकते हो और उसके थ्रू ये वेबसाइट डिजाइन हो जाएगी. अभी अगर आप देखें, सो इट हैज गिवन मी मोर सजेशंस. एक्चुअली इसके पास बेटर ऑप्शंस है कि इट शुड लुक लाइक दिस, ट्रांजोस एरिया. नाउ इफ यू लुक एट इट, दिस इज रियली अमेजिंग वेबसाइट एंड आई एम स्पेंडिंग thousands and lakhs to give a professional designer. So I can have probably I like this one a little better. This matches the feel of Apple also. So I will just select this design and it will start building it over the tool. It will take a while, but it will do. Okay. So today we have learned two critical tools and how professionals use that. We have learned how Google Notebook LM plus Canvas, Gemini's Canvas, can build you amazing dashboard. Okay. Similarly, you can use this professional Stitch plus Google's AI Studio to build amazing websites. And these two tools are crucially important for independent businesses also. Independent businesses are always looking how to build their website, how to build their structure, how to build their resources. And these tools can help us. So by the time it is building this website, does anyone has any doubt? Because we are quite near to 4:25. We'll have one more query and then we'll close for today. Okay. Okay. So guys, if you are asking me questions like how to upload Stitch, it is very simple. I have just selected all the images which I want, clicked on export, and just clicked on build with AI Studio. It will automatically build everything. Okay. So guys, how did you like this particular session? I want you to help me with a simple poll. Meanwhile, the website is generating. I want you to do this particular poll with me. Okay. So let me just bring it up a little. Are you confident? Can you build with AI a lot? Uh, okay. So the poll is live. Can you see my screen right now, everyone? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, awesome. So, guys, I'm just stopped the sharing. So right now, uh, I will ask you if you have any doubts. First of all, I just wanted to understand how did you like the session? If you like the session, just say like, and we'll bring you more tools tomorrow and upcoming sessions so that you can have an industry exposure. Awesome. Like. Awesome. Awesome. Great. Great. Nice. Meanwhile, I want you to just go with the post. Meanwhile, the code is being built right now. AI is still building the my website. Let it build. Awesome. Awesome. And if you have any query, as I mentioned, right, DSPSI is one of the colleges in IP who you can directly go and see for the walk-in interviews and admissions. Plus, we also have an opportunity to have global education. So today, if you learn AI and you want to understand how do you get global recognition, you can always connect with our counselors, always connect with them, see how they can help you out. We also have a program where you can go and study abroad. Okay. Okay. No, please share that. Okay. Awesome. Uh, Anika ma'am, you can share the link with them in the group if possible. But before guys,
Surely, I'll do that.
yeah, I'm just seeing if the website is built. It will take a while, but yes, you can build a website. Probably it is already taking some time because it requires some effort from the AI. But this is how you can build websites. Amazing professional websites. Anika ma'am, can you share the WhatsApp link? The students wants to join.
Sir, I will share the WhatsApp.
Okay. I just a quick question, guys. If you want to learn something new, what else you want to learn? Because I'm very interested into teaching you. If you want to use AI and learn something new, right? We already know that you want to solve quizzes, solve problems, solve this. But if something you want to learn tomorrow, what will it will be? Can AI hack games? It is not the AI who will hack the games. It is you who will you hack the games with AI. Okay. How do we push it to a domain? So if you want to push it to a domain, right? You can use Versal. If you create a code, go on GitHub, install it on GitHub, and use Versal to push it on domain. You can connect your domain. This is something a little technical in nature, but हम इसे कर सकते हैं. Not an issue. About automotive automation, I guess you are asking. Yes, automation currently with the tool that we have right now as a free tool right now is N10 Zapier, which we can build to create simple agent automations. But if you want to build an AI agent or something like that, you will probably have to shift to a paid version tools of Microsoft Copilots, where you have proper inbuilt integrations. Okay, that is something you can build through Python, PyTorch also, but it will require some extra efforts or extra time. But that is where your 3 years of college degree will come into place. You have to learn that skill over the time. Yeah, obviously. Nehajan, you can do that. So once you learn how to do automation, we'll have one session on N8N throughout the workshops also, where you will see how we can use N8N to host or email messages. Uh, BCA is a 3 year course, Abhijit.
Tarun sir, I would like to say something.
थ्री हाँ थ्री नहीं है फोर हो गया
4 हो गया. Okay, okay. Okay.
Tarun
but they
sir,
have the option to drop after 3 years if they want to and they will
Okay, they have an
still get
option
a
to drop.
they have an option to drop out after first year, second year, third year, and fourth year is optional. Yes, for
Yes,
them
fourth year
if
is
they want
optional.
to
Yes, fourth year
continue.
is optional. Fourth year is mostly, I think, sir, it is training, right?
Yeah, they have kind of research focus on that. So it is more of different tracks. One could be research, one could be entrepreneurship, like that. It is more
Correct. Correct.
focused towards what you want to be in life in the future.
Awesome. Yeah. So, guys, fourth year is mostly based on your self interest. So, if you want to be an entrepreneur, if you want to be having more industry experience, so the fourth year is आपका जो dedicated is properly dedicated to that exposure. You can skip also, but if you want to, you can have exposure also. As I mentioned, right?
I'm so
DSPSR
sorry
as an
to interrupt.
option, you can go to in fourth year in UK also for training if you work with DSPSR. So we have international collaboration. So if you study with DSPSR in fourth year, you can go in UK, have dual degree, get recognition from their government university, and have an exposure also. Yes, Abhijit, 4 years you can go to PhD. That is doable in India also right now, and you that is also doable in other countries also. But that is purely on self interest. Guys,
Yeah,
that is something.
after the fourth year, yes, they have a choice to go for PhD straight away without any PG. That is
Yes, you
their
can
choice.
skip.
Those who really should. Yeah.
Yeah, you can skip MCA if you do 4 years. Uh, DSPS is one of the good colleges. If you are looking for Nisha. Campus recruitment. I think Anika ma'am, if you could highlight students have good doubts,
Yes. So
those you
we
can
are known
highlight.
for our campus recruitment, right? So once you visit here, we can make you see our campus file as well. We have a placement specific placement team which help you to get good placement, and we'll work from the very first year on your soft skill development, on your overall development. So we do have a campus recruitment, and we also provide the internship as well.
Okay. So, Nisha, for camp admission in DSPSR, counselor will send a group message where
We
you
have
can
your
ask your
numbers.
queries.
Also, one second. We have your number. I'm so sorry to interrupt you in between. We
Yeah.
have everybody's number. What we do, we will create a WhatsApp group, and anything regarding the questions regarding DSPSR or admissions will entertain there. Also, we will also share the schedule of each and every class from till 1st of June in that group.
Tanmay, I didn't get your question. What do you mean by BCA 3 year, MCA 2 year? Is it enough? Is it
Yeah,
enough for
that's
studying?
also an option. Yes, that's also an option. For MBA also that's an option, that you do your 3 year UG and then you go for masters of 2 years. That option still exists. After 4 years, we have an option of 1 year masters, also not MBA, excluding MBA or
Okay.
even MCA.
Yes, Abhijit, all the information will be shared in the group. Do not worry. Is it valuable? It is purely on depending on the your career guidelines. So, Tanmay, if you want to become a researcher, might be good opportunity. BTech and BCA, which is better? Now, Nisha, this is a very crucial question you have asked. This is something I believe you can get a better clarity if you visit the college. We have trained counselors who can help you out understand how this is different from one another.
And we also have one-to-one counseling. You can get it scheduled online also, which captures data from your energy body, which one is more suitable for you as an individual. That option is also available.
Correct. Correct. As sir mentioned, right? Everyone's goals is different. Every opportunity is different. So it's not like BCA don't get jobs. It's not like BTA, BTech don't get jobs. It is more about what you want. Do you want to be researcher? Do you want to be an enthusiast? What exactly you want to be in your life? We are, our counselors are ready. We can help you out with that. Any more doubts, guys? Admission, query, today's session. Skill, better career. Sorry, Abhijit, didn't get it. It's a obvious thing, I guess.
Yes, yes. One
Yes,
word answer is
Abhijit.
yes.
Yes, if you have better skills, you will get better career.
Uh, Anika ma'am, probably you can help Eldo with his question.
Right.
So, guys, we will be floating the WhatsApp group. You can always continue this conversation. For today, I'm wrapping up this session. I will see you tomorrow around the same time,
I
and I
will,
hope to see you.
I have your number. I'll talk to you every month regarding the admissions and whatever the questions you have regarding admission personally. So if anybody wants to take a session or want a counseling session, please give your number in the chat so we can.
Sure.
I'm
Awesome.
writing my number in the chat so you can connect me personally over the same number. My name is Anika.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. So, guys, I hope you like this session, and I am hoping to that you are ready. In next session, we are going to see all of these tools are okay, but today I've just narrated my thoughts. I've not written in a structured form. Will their output be a different if I write in a proper structure? So that's Abhijit. One of Abhijit was comment was prompt structuring, and that is what we are going to do. Okay, awesome. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye.